In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Udemy app on your laptop. Although Udemy doesn't offer a dedicated desktop application for laptops, I'll guide you through a simple process that allows you to create a shortcut for a quick and easy way to access Udemy. Almost as if it were an app, this method is straightforward and effective for maximizing your learning experience right from your laptop. To begin, you'll need to open Google Chrome, as this method utilizes some built-in functionality specific to Chrome. So, launch the Chrome browser and navigate to the Udemy website. Once you're on the Udemy homepage, glance over to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see 3 vertical dots. This is the Chrome menu button, and it provides various options essential for customizing and controlling your browsing experience. Click on those 3 dots to trigger a drop-down menu. In this menu, you'll find an option labeled Cast. Now, although it primarily serves for media casting, there's more we can leverage here. But the key feature we're interested in appears just below it. Scroll down a bit and you'll find another option named More Tools. Hovering over or clicking this option will reveal a secondary menu. Here you'll see Create Shortcut. Select this option to start turning the Udemy site into what functions like an app. After clicking on Create Shortcut, a small dialog box will pop up. This box allows you to name your shortcut, and you'll want to decide how best to label it for easy recognition. A simple choice like Udemy works perfectly. You'll also observe a checkbox that says Open as Window. Make sure you check this box. By doing so, you ensure that when you launch Udemy from this shortcut, it opens in its own window, providing an experience that closely mimics that of an app. Once you're satisfied with your settings, click the Create button in the dialog box. This action saves the shortcut to your desktop. Now, you've successfully transformed the Udemy webpage into a dedicated access point on your laptop. You'll find the newly created icon on your desktop, ready to be used. Double-clicking on this icon will launch Udemy just like an app, without the need to manually navigate to their website each time. Making this shortcut not only optimizes your workflow, but also adds convenience, keeping your online courses a click away. And there you have it, a simple and efficient solution to bring Udemy closer, enhancing your educational journey with just a few clicks. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to stay tuned for more practical tips and tricks.